என்ன அப்படிங்கிறத பற்றி நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். சரியா? Accordingly, invite our Honorable Chairman, Mugambige, Sri K. Govindaraji, Sri Mugambige, Sri Vidya Mandir, and RMS Educational Institutions, Palakkad, rendering the opportunities to organize the event successfully.
National Conference. And I personally thanks to our Chief Guest, Honorable Chief Guest, Thalivasan sir, on behalf of our college and myself, and I am very thankful to you to arrive and attend this function. Thank you. First of all, the topic is very wonderful. Just like Rangoli போட்டுட்டீங்க, நிறைய சூப்பராக இருக்குது. ரொம்ப அருமையாக இருக்குது. அந்த அளவுக்கு எஃபர்ட் பயங்கரமாக போட்டுருக்கீங்க. நான் கூட நேற்று சந்தேகப்பட்டு கேட்டேன், அவ்வளோ முடிச்சிருவீங்களான்ட்டு. ஈவினிங்குள்ளே ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக முடிச்சிருக்கீங்க. அது இல்லாமல் ரொம்ப 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 அழகாக இருக்குது. அந்த பிள்ளையார் போகலாம் ரொம்ப சூப்பராக இருக்குது. மார்னிங் பார்க்கும்போது எல்லா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுமே இருந்து பார்க்க தான் போனாங்க. நேற்று கூட பார்க்கல யாரும். மார்னிங் வரும்போது 2 குழந்தை இருந்தும் பார்க்க தான் போனாங்க. ஸோ அந்த அளவுக்கு பண்ணுவீங்க. இந்த டாபிக் செலக்ட் பண்ணதான் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒண்டர்ஃபுல் டாபிக்.
Most respected Chairman ji and most respected Principal sir and most respected today Chief Guest Dr. Tamilarasu, respected Dr. Mohandas, Dr. Gandhi, Mr. Andalashmi and Tamil Trai Head Dr. Gandhi and Telugu Professor Dr. Balasubramanian and one more, all the faculties and my dear young gold, I warm welcome to all. Good morning to all of us.
No class. Yes, correct? No. Yes, so every day it might be like this. It's so enjoyable, no, in college. Correct? No. Oh, okay, fine. Give me some time. We will start the session. Okay. If my session is bored or when you feel sleepy, you will tell me. I'll stop my session. Okay. Don't say no, sir. It's sleepy, sir. Please stop the session. Like that, don't ask me. When you feel bored or when my session looks like a little bit sleepy, you tell me. I'll try to stop my session. Okay? Is that visible to you all? The last row, is that visible to you all? Fine. Before getting into my session, I would like to ask you few questions. Okay? Don't worry, question means don't worry. I'm not going to ask any questions from your syllabus or from your subject. Okay? It's a general question. You can join with me. Okay? Feel free with me. It's not just like a classroom teaching. Okay? Like feel that I'm your friend. Okay? Okay? Fine. Okay. Why you all choose this BCom, BBA and different courses? What is the reason? My father told sir. College gave seat sir, this BCom only. Or else sir in +2, +1, +2, I got a vocational course. Because of that here I got BCom, BBA degree. I'm doing BCom BBA degree. What is the reason you are doing? Okay, anyhow you got a seat and you are doing like first year, second year and you are doing something. What is the reason you are doing this BCom and BBA? Any reason? Otherwise I take you there. Marketing. She said HR, I am marketing. That said finance, who's that? Okay. Is that correct or not? Yes, sir. That is why your parents admit you in this Mugambige College for BCom, BBA and different courses. Correct? Yes, okay, fine. You want to earn money, correct? Okay. So not only you people girls, see the slide. What do people need the most? Lead their luxuries. Most of the people would like to lead their life very luxurious. ரொம்ப ஆடம்பரமா they would like to lead their life. ரொம்ப ஆடம்பரமா வாழணும் அப்படின்னு they feel. For that what we require? For that what we require? Money. Money. We need money. Here we have two options. So if you like to earn money, if you like to earn money, if you like to earn more money, so you have two options. So you see the slide. One is an employment, another one is job opportunity. After your graduation, what you are going to do? After your graduation, what you are going to do? Sir, you have two options. And women has the third option also. What is that you tell me? Very sharply you all. See, you have first option employment, second option is own business, and like in women you have third option. It's nothing but you will get a marriage and sitting in front of the television, watching the serial, crying, and you can time pass your whole life. You want to do that? You want to do that? No. You are all not like girls. Correct? No, you are not like other girls. Correct? No, you are something special. Is that correct or not? Yes, sir. Yes. Okay. I will tell you and I will give you how to start a business. Okay. Later on upcoming slides I will tell you. I will motivate you how to start your own business. Okay. See the employment of why most of the people they want to get a job after graduation, BCom, BBA, MBA, MBBS or any different professional courses. After that they want to get a job. Behind that what it is there? You see there. Under these tend to get a fixed amount of salary. If you are going to get a job from a company, you can get a fixed salary, 10,000, 50,000, even money or you can't make more money. A fixed income you can get. Or else you see another side, if you are not going to start your own business, if you are going to start your own business, your salary is not a fixed one. It's not like 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh. No. Monthly you can earn millions, crores of money from your business as a profit. What is our ultimate aim? Earn money. Is that is the right choice if you are going to get a job from a company? You can make money, you can't make more money. You got my point, girls? Yes, sir. Okay, so here you see, here if you are going to get a job, yes you can get a job. Nowadays plenty of job opportunities are there. You can get jobs. But you think that is your career, that is my career. I don't want such a career for my life. I don't want to spend my life like that. So think that own business. Think about own business. Okay. So if you are going to start your own business, I mean as an entrepreneur, women entrepreneur, then I would like to promise you, your salary is not countable. If you are going to get a job from an organization, if you are going to get a job from somewhere else, your salary is countable. What is that countable means? Salary எண்ணி தான் எடுத்துட்டு வரணும். ஓகே? salary நீங்க எண்ணி எடுத்துட்டு வரணுமா அள்ளி எடுத்துட்டு போணுமா வீட்டுக்கு? சார் முருகேசன் சார் சொன்னார்ல என்ன கிளாத் போட்டுருக்காங்க, என்ன கோல்டு ஜுவல்லரி போட்டுருக்காங்க, அது மாதிரிலாம் உங்களுக்கு போடணும்னு ஆசை இல்லையா? ஓகே. ஓகே ஃபைன். So you have an option. You just think and decide today itself. If you have a dream, if you has a dream, that doesn't matter. But this is the right time. You have to think and decide whether you are going to start your own venture or you are going to get a job. Like all other people, I am going to work for a company. And one more drawback I would like to tell you girls. So if you are going to work for a company, what benefit you will get? புரியுதா நான் பேசுற இங்கிலீஷ்? It's easy, no? I'm not using very blended words. Correct? Okay. நீங்கள் போய் வேலை செஞ்சீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு என்ன பெனிஃபிட் கிடைக்கும், என்ன நன்மை கிடைக்கும் சார்? ஆப்வியஸ்லி சேலரி சார், எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ஓகே, knowledge okay. Oh, now you don't have knowledge, there you are going to get. College is not providing knowledge, you know. You are not getting knowledge from the college, you are getting knowledge from the company. Okay, great. Okay, see girls, you can get a salary, that salary is very 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 less. Company, or you are going to work for a company, that company make use of you, they are making more profit, they are giving less salary to you, maybe 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 like that. You got salary, very less salary, you are getting less salary, but because of you they are making lakhs and lakhs of money every year. Do you agree this? Do you agree this? உங்களால அந்த கம்பெனி வளர்ந்துட்டு இருக்கு, பட் ஐ டோன்ட் நோ if you are getting a job from an organization, you are going to develop in the sense of salary, your family and everything. I don't think so. Do you agree with this? So one more thing at this point, you think and decide whether you are going to choose your career as an entrepreneur or employee of a company. So if you are going to get a easy, you can get a job from the market, more opportunities are there, but you have to think, I am not going to work for anyone, I should focus on my development, I am not like other people, I should be a unique one in the world. நான் தனியா இருக்கணும்பா, தனியா means not separated, நான் தனியா என்னோட own business, I am a own boss, like that thought you should have. Okay, then second point quickly, what is the second advantage if you are going to get a job? Job is secure. What is that? Job is secure. Fixed early morning 8 o'clock you can wake up, you can go to the job, evening 5 o'clock you can leave from the job. வேலையிலிருந்து வந்துடலாம், வீட்டுக்கு வந்துடலாம், ரெஸ்ட் எடுத்துக்கலாம், என்ன வேணாலும். Job security is there. You can get a fixed salary. வேலைக்கு போனாலும் 2 நாள் லீவ் போட்டாலும் salary வந்துருமா. That advantage is there if you are going to get a job. Okay, then here in this side you can enjoy the complete profit from your business. Okay, that's why job security is there, but disadvantage is less salary you can, less money you can earn. But another side, you don't have a job security, but it's your own business, anytime you can go, anytime you can come, it's your own business, you are the own boss for your company. Okay, then last one is, you want to get a job now, most of the people, how corporate world is now, you know, why people are switching one company to another company, because of too much of pressures are there in the organization. You can't work for a company for your whole career, you have to switch over because lot of pressures are there. If you go and check industry people, they said I don't have time to come anywhere because I am working for the company. Do you think that is the right option for you? Think and decide. Okay, so here it's a lack of managerial advantage that I will tell you later. Okay, fine. Next slide. Next. Okay. Wait. யாரும் தூங்கல இல்ல? தூக்கம் வரல இல்ல? ஃபாலோ பண்றீங்களா? ஃபைன். ஓகே, நான் எப்பவுமே I would like to talk about the entrepreneurs. Okay, because as your vice principal said that in our India we have lack of women entrepreneurs. I mean பெண்களுடைய தொழில் அப்படிங்கிறது ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருக்கு, தொழில் பண்றவங்களுடைய அளவு ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருக்கு. எத்தனை percentage of people they are doing business now in India? Only 14% of the people, I mean women they are doing their business, own business. How much actually out of 100 people they are doing business means out of that only 14 people, 14 women, 14 girls they are doing their own business. That is correct? No, it's not a correct. There is no gender discrimination. What is the gender discrimination? Male, female அப்படிங்கிற பாகுபாடு எதுவுமே கிடையாது. Okay? Do you agree this? Yes, sir. I am also same, you are also same. Do you agree this? Yes, sir. Do you agree this? Yes, sir. You are also same, I am also same. There is no gender discrimination in the world, in the society. And if anyone says you, no, I am also same like you. You have to tell them, I am also same like you. There is no difference. Correct? Then why such a differences are there? Only 14% of the women they are doing their business. Rest of the people are, it's a male dominated society. It's a male dominated society. Why? They are saying that you don't have knowledge. Hey, women, you can't do this. I will show you some lakhs and lakhs of example. I can show you women how they got succeed in their life. Women entrepreneur who got succeed in India. Not now. அந்த போட்டோ பார்த்து சார் எங்கேயும் சொல்றீங்க அதில் பார்த்தா வயசான மாதிரி இருக்காங்க உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது கண்ணு கெட்டு போச்சா அப்படின்னு கேட்காதீங்க. Okay, when she started her business, she was the one of the young women entrepreneur who got succeed in her business. I'll tell you her story. Okay, அவங்க பிஸ்னஸை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணாங்க. என்ன டைப் ஆஃப் பிஸ்னஸ் அப்படின்னு கேட்டால் உங்களுக்கெல்லாம் தெரியல, சுகர் பேஷண்ட்ஸ், டயபெட்டிக்ஸ். இந்த நம்ம தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட், இந்தியா தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அதில். ஓகே, இன் ஆல் ஓவர் தி வேர்ல்ட் டயபெட்டிக்ஸில் நம்ம தான் நம்பர் 1. ஓகே, அந்த டயபெட்டிக்ஸ்க்கு இன்சுலின் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு மருந்து எடுப்பாங்க. ஓகே, அந்த ஹியூமன் இன்சுலினை லார்ஜர் லெவல் ஆஃப் மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் பண்ணது இன் இந்தியாவில் பயோகான் கம்பெனி. Still, this Biocon company is one of the leading exporter. வெளிநாட்டுக்கு ஏற்றுமதி பண்றதுல இந்தியால அதிகமான சேல்ஸ் பண்றதுல that Biocon company தான் நம்பர் 1. She is also like you women. She is also like a woman. Why not you are? And you have a doubt, sir. Don't have money. We don't have support. Yes. She also has same problem. She is also like a woman like you. And nowadays there is, you know, nariya awareness. There is lot of awareness among women because of mobile you are using and you are studying. See, now her age is almost 50 plus. When she started her business long back, 30-40 years back, she started her business. That time it's a male dominated society. It's a male dominated society. They will tell you, don't talk, see, you don't know. Father talking, no, don't talk. Brother, you don't talk. Such a family, such a time, he came up with a business. And that time, finance, when you are talking about money, she had a problem. She had financial issue. She is also like you. Without any background, without any support, she started her business.